Stock number CD 9529 2002 Pontiac Grand Prix GT has only 49,133 miles. This is an engine run video. Here's the miles. It's just running a little loud because the airbox is not hooked up. I'll rev it up for you.